everyone. This is Pranshi Verma from ABES Engineering College. In this lecture, we will discuss set interface and their classes entail from the Java collection framework in object-oriented programming with Java. Let's get started. Let's talk about set interface. Set interface in the Java collection framework is a part of the java.util package, and it's used to store unique elements. Unique elements means duplicate elements are not allowed in set. Unlike lists, which can store duplicates elements, sets do not allow duplicates element. And set interface provides different methods for adding, removing, and retrieving elements like array list. There are some key characteristics of set interface, and here first one is uniqueness. Uniqueness means there is no duplicates elements are allowed in the set. Means set doesn't contain duplicate elements inside it. Next we have unordered collection. That means in set elements are inserted in any order. They, they do not follow any specific order, and it depends on implementation. Next, we have null elements. Sets are supports only one null elements inside it. So it's all about set interface. Let's move forward. Let's discuss different classes with the help of set will implement. Here, this diagram shows set. Set will be implemented with the help of different classes, and here and with the help of enum set, HashSet, linked HashSet, and treeset implement set interface in our Java collection framework. Let's move forward. Let's discuss methods of set. Some of the common use methods of the collection interface that's also available in the set interface are, and they are, first we have add method. With the help of this method, we can add the specified element to the set like array list. Next, we have add all method. And with the help of this method, we can add all the elements of the specified collection to the set. Maybe the elements are present in the any other specific set. Next, we have iterator method. Suggest iterator. Iterator method returns an iterator that can be used to access elements of the set sequentially. Means iterator method works in sequential manner. We have remove method. Remove methods helps us to remove the specified element from the set. Next we have remove all method. Remove all methods removes all the elements from the set, and these elements are present in another specified set. Next we have retain all method. Retain all. As the name suggests, retain all retains this method retains all the elements in the set also present in the another specified set. Then we have clear method. Clear method is used to remove all the elements from the set. Next we have size method. Size method returns the length, that is number of elements are present in the specific set. Next we have array method. Array method returns an array containing all the elements of the set. Only contains method. Method returns true if the set contains the specified element and false it doesn't. Then we have contains all. As the name suggests, contains all. Contains all method returns true if the set contains all the elements of the specified collection. This method we have hash code method, and hash code method returns a hash code value that is address of the elements are present in the set. So it's all about some common methods of set. Let's move forward. Java set interface allows us to perform basic mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and subset. So first we have union operation. Union operations are used to get the union of two sets. Let's say our Let's say our first set name is X and another set name is Y. So we can use union method like this X dot add all and in the bracket Y. Next we have insertion method. For X and Y set, intersect of two sets with the help of this method, that is X dot retain all of Y. Then have subset. We can check if X is a subset of Y or not. So perform to perform this operation, we can use like this Y dot contains all of X. So in this way you can perform different mathematical operations on set. Let's discuss a code example of set to understand better. Here is the code of a set interface example in the Java collection framework. And here first we have package name, that is unit4 underscore CATL. And then just import some required packages, and to implement set interface, we can use HashSet here. As I already discussed with you, set is an interface. So we cannot create object of it. That's why to create set interface, we can use different classes. Let's say here we are using HashSet class. So here we are importing two required packages, that is java.util.set and next one is java.util.hashset. Set for set interface and HashSet for HashSet class. Let's start our code. Firstly, create class, that is class set example. And inside this class, we have our main method, that is public static void main string args. And then just creating a set using a HashSet class, and it's our standard syntax to create classes and interface in the Java collection framework, as I already discussed with you several times in previous lectures. Now, with the help of this, we can create set with the help of HashSet class and then just try to add some elements in it with the help of dot add method. So firstly, add 2, add an element that is 2 and then next element that is 3. And, and then just try to print out our initial set with the help of system.out.println. Now, now create another set using the HashSet class. So with the help of a standard example, we can create another set and we can create and we can create any number of sets in Java collection framework. So here our another set with the help of HashSet class is created. Then we just add some element in our set 2. So here set2 dot add, let's say 1 and then 2. And then just print out our set 2 values with the help of system.out.println. And if you want to get union of two sets, so we can apply dot add all method, as I already discussed with you. So here our set2, that is another set variable name, dot add all method of our first set name, that is set1. And then just print our updated set after performing the union operation. So in this way, you can create simple set interface with the help of HashSet and perform some basic operations in it. Let's Now it's time to run the code with the help of run button, and let's see the output of this code. Here is the output of our code. Initially, our set1 contained two elements, that is 2 and 3, and then our set2 contained two elements, that is 1 and 2. Let's try to check the union of this set1 and set2. So here is the union of this, that is 1, 2, 3. Just noted here at this output, union is only 1, 2, and 3. Means 2, 2 is present in set1 and 2 is present in set 2. But as I already told you, set doesn't contain duplicate elements inside it. That's why here output is 1, 2, and 3. 2 doesn't contains 2 times here. So it's all about simple set interface implementation with the help of HashSet class, and there are some operations. Let's discuss Java HashSet class. The HashSet class in Java is a part of the Java collection framework and it's implements through the set interface. It's backed by a hash table that is actually a hash map instance, which means that it provides constant time performance for the basic operations such as adds, remove, contains, and size. Assuming the hash function disperses the elements properly among the buckets. Here is the diagram shows the graphical representation of HashSet class. In the collection interface, first we have collection interface. Here, set interface is extended by the collection interface. And then set is implemented through the set interface. That means set contains methods like collection interface and set contains all the methods that contains by the set because set is implemented through the set. Here some key characteristics of HashSet. First, we have no duplicates, as this characteristics is also present in the set, and it means that HashSet doesn't contains any duplicate value. We have null elements. HashSet allows at most one null element in it. Next, we have order. HashSet doesn't guarantee any specific order of the elements for insertion. Next, we have performance. And it's very important characteristics in Java HashSet, and it's very important characteristics in Java Collection Framework. HashSet provides constant time performance for basic operations for add, remove, contains, and size. So it's all about HashSet class. Let's move forward and discuss some methods of HashSet. The HashSet provides various methods that allows us to perform various operations on the set. And in this, first we have add method. As I already discussed with you several times, add methods used to add the specified element to the set if it's not already present. If it's not already present, means duplicates elements are not allowed in it. Next we have remove method. Remove method removes the specified element from the set if it is present in the set. Let's have contains method. This method returns true if the set contains the specified element. Next, we have size method. Size method returns the number of element in the set. Next, we have empty method. Empty method returns true if the set contains no element. And next, we have clear method. Method removes all the elements from the set. So, talk about some common methods for HashSet. Here is the code of HashSet example implementation. First, we have package name that is unit4 underscore CTL. We just import some necessary packages here and create HashSet. As you know, HashSet is a class. This is implemented by set. Means we can create object of HashSet directly. That's why we can create HashSet class directly with the help of HashSet. So here, firstly, we have public class named HashSet example, and inside it, our main method that is public static void main string args. And in this class, just creating a HashSet class just here with the help of standard syntax. Then we're just trying to add some element to the HashSet. Let's say with the help of dot add method, and the elements are first one apple, then banana, then cherry, and then here in the line 14, please look at here. I'm trying to add, I'm trying to add apple elements again as I already added in the line 11. So according to HashSet rule, HashSet will ignore the duplicate elements. Let's see all the let's see all the changes in the output part. Let's move forward just trying to display the HashSet code with the help of system.out.println. Next, if you want to check an element is exists in the HashSet or not, so we can use dot contains method, and in this way, with the help of if statement, we can check an element is exists in the help in the HashSet or not, and then just print the statement that is banana is in the set. Now, if you want to remove an element from the set, from the hash set, so we can use dot remove method, and then in the bracket, ins- and then inside the bracket, your element name, if you want to remove it. Then, if you want to display the hash set after removal, so you can do it with the help of just system.out.println method. Then, if you want to iterate over the hash set and print all the elements are present in the hash set, so we can use for each loop like this, for string item, then hash set, and then just print all the item. Then just print all the items are present in the hash set. Next, if you want to check the size of the hash set, so we can use hash set dot size method, and it's display the and it will display the size of the hash set. Then, at last, if you want to clear the set, if you want to clear the hash set, with the help of dot clear method, you can do it. Just apply variable name that is hash set dot clear method. And at last, you can just print our updated set list that with the help of system.out.println method. So it's all about simple hash set class code in Java collection framework. Now it's time to run the code with the help of run button. Code. Here is the output of our HashSet code, and in this, firstly, our initial HashSet contain three elements, that is apple, cherry, and banana. That means HashSet ignore the apple elements as duplicate element. Next, check banana, is banana present in the list or not. So here it prints the statement that is banana is in the set. Next, hash set after removal. So here only two elements are present in the hash set after removal, that is apple and cherry. Now iteration over the hash set, and it prints both elements. Here it iterates over the hash set, and elements are apple and cherry in unique line. Now we have size of the hash set. It returns the hash set size of your current hash set, and here our hash set contains only two elements, that is apple and cherry, so it returns 2. Now and then just check hash set after clearing, and it returns true. So it's all about hash set example class with their output. Let's move forward and discuss next class, that is linked hash set. Java linked hash set. The linked HashSet class in Java is a part of the Java collection framework, and it extends the HashSet class as it's present in the diagram here. Firstly, we have collection interface, and then set is extended with the help of collection framework, and in this linked HashSet is implemented through set interface. The linked HashSet class of the Java collection framework provides functionalities of both the, that is hash table, and the linked list data structure. It implements with the help of set interface, as I already discussed with you. Linked HashSet implements the set interface, and it maintains a linked list of the entries in the set in the order in which they were inserted. Means here, this means that when iterating through a linked HashSet, the elements will be returned in the order they were added. Let's discuss some key characteristics of linked HashSet. In this, first we have order. As I already discussed with you, linked HashSet maintains insertion order. Next, we have no duplicates. Means linked HashSet doesn't allow duplicate elements as set and HashSet. null elements. As set and HashSet, linked HashSet allowed at most one null element inside it. Performance. If we are talking about performance of linked HashSet, so slightly slower than HashSet due to the additional overhead of maintaining the linked list. But still, it provides constant time performance for basic operations like add, remove, contains, and all. Let's move forward and discuss methods of linked HashSet. The linked HashSet class provide methods that allows us to perform various operations on the linked HashSet. In this, we have add method, remove method, contains, size method, is empty method, and clear method. And they methods are works as same as the set method and HashSet method. Let's discuss a implementation of linked HashSet in the IDE. Here is the simple code of linked HashSet class implementation. Firstly, we have package name that is unit4 underscore CATL, and just import some necessary packages that is java.util.linked_hashtag. Linked hashtag is a class, so we can create object of it directly. And we have our public class name that is linked hashtag example, then and inside it we have our main method that is public static void main. And then just creating a linked hashtag directly as I already discussed with you, linked hashtag is a class. So we can create it and create object of it. So here is the standard syntax to create all the data structure interface in classes in the Java collection framework. And we are creating a linked hashtag. Now we just add some elements in the linked hashtag with the help of .add method. So firstly we have apple, then banana, then cherry, and then apple again. So as I already discussed with you, linked hashtag is implemented via the set interface. So linked hashtag will ignore the apple element as a duplicate element. Now just trying to display the linked hashtag with the help of system.out.println method. Then, if you want to check if an element is exists in the linked hashtag or not, so you can use dot contains method same as hashtag, and then just using if statement. And here we are just use if statement. And if you want to remove an element from the linked hashtag, so you can use dot remove method same as hashtag. Then just display the updated linked hashtag with the help of system.out.println command. Then here the main part is start of the linked hashtag class, that is iterate over the linked hashtag. So the linked hashtag with the help of for each loop like this, and then just print all the items inside it with the help of system.out.println. Now checking the size of the linked hashtag same as hashtag, that is with the help of dot size method. And now at last just clearing all the elements from the linked hashtag with the help of dot clear method. Now it's time to run the code and let's see the output. Here is the output of our code. Firstly, we have initial linked hashtag contain three elements, that is apple, banana, and cherry, and it ignore, ignores the element apple as a duplicate element. Now, is banana present in the list or not? So here it returns banana is in the set. As we can see that, as we can see that banana it contains in the linked hashtag. Next we have linked hashtag after removal. So here apple and cherry are present here and banana is removed in the linked hashtag. Now just trying to iterate over the linked hashtag. So here first it returns apple first and then cherry. It means linked hashtag maintains the insertion order of the element. It returns apple first and then returns cherry. Now check the size of the linked hashtag. So here two elements are present in the linked hashtag and that is apple and cherry. So it returns 2. Now check linked HashSet after clearing and it returns true. So it's all about code implementation of linked HashSet, and you can use this code in your examination, and all the diagram, all the methods are discussed in the lecture. These are the references are used to design this lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss tree set and remaining topic of Unit 4. Thank you so much for your patience listening.